If you have ever thought about learning programming but felt it was complicated or just not for you, I get it. Maybe you're a student, maybe you're already working in the field and want to add a real technical skill, or maybe you have just been curious about coding for a long time. Either way, you're in the right place. My name is Shabir, and in this course, I'm going to teach you C Sharp in a very simple and practical way. You don't need a computer science degree, you don't need to be good at math, and you definitely don't need any previous experience. Programming is a skill, and like any skill, if you learn it step by step, it becomes easy. C Sharp is one of the most widely used programming languages today, and it's used in real applications, real companies, and in real jobs. In this series, we'll learn from the basics. I'll explain how things work, not just what to type. We'll talk about things like variables, conditions, loops, and functions slowly and with real examples. As we move forward, we'll look at how C Sharp is actually used in the real world. Each video will be short, clear, and beginner friendly. And no fluff, no confusing theory, just practical information and practical explanation that makes sense. By the end of this course, you won't just be copying code, you'll actually understand what's going on. So if this sounds like something you want to learn, subscribe to the channel and let's get started.